May Mendoza update sa Daklom. Yan ang kantahan ng mga Dover Cards.
But now you're in my way. Chance game is short, hot night way was low. Where you think you're going, baby? It's hard to look right, crazy. But here's the
Balik si Menda sa likod
so
doon.
call me maybe. Try to change me. And here's my number. So call me baby.
Ayan, si Lynn.
Before you came into my life, I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. Before you came into my life, I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. Yes! Concert at papremyo. Meron kami niya, Dapper Dads.
At para sa swerte ng Dapper Cards, send in the
Daklom.
Pero na clone, ni Chico Miranda! Meron pa samantala clone.
Baby, it's my number.
For me.
I miss you so bad. I miss you so bad. Kay Wally, Bulaga.
I-level up pa natin ang
Yes! Ano bang live events at special
EB shout out
greetings,
board.
kami ang bahala dyan. Para lahat happy dito sa...
BB Shout Boy! Do the honors.
Sino muna natin sa shoutout?
Here we go!
Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met this making memories.
Okay.
Na may birthday, sabihin niyo po para
Kasama pa
makapagtago
si
po.
Miss sa
Ay,
picture.
picture natin na lang po muna tayo.
Yan.
Yeah. Close.
Man, 1, 2, 3. O next time i-achieve natin yan in person naman.
Happy birthday, Raven!
Raven!
Ayun! Takpan din, Rise of Me! Ito, Kapampangan route of June. Sorry, Kapampangan siya. Shout, mahal na mahal kita pala. Sabi ko, parang wala na sa grado ko. Another top fan, Christina Palo for the November celebrants, including my mom. Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday! Next!
Let's go!
Sa Kapit, hello. At shoutout sa mga Dapper Cats kahit saan. Lahat po pwede.
Masay!
At excited po kaming makiselebrate sa inyo, kaya share your shoutouts dito sa...
EB shout out board.
Shoutout!
Happy birthday din, pahabol, oh, kay Riza Refuerzo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Riza!
At siya,
Sugod!
Hit Bulaga.
Get out of my head. Fall into my arms, get
Kapampangan, Tony Manana!
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.